The story of the goose and the golden egg. In a remote, picturesque village nestled among rolling dunes and vibrant markets lived a humble farmer named Abdul. Abdul's home was surrounded by acacia trees and the warm breeze of the Indian Ocean. The village famed for a remarkable goose named Willow. Every dawn, Willow laid a single shimmering golden egg. The golden eggs were the talk of the village. Children playing near the baobab trees would often pause to marvel at Willow's gift. Among the frequent visitors was Khadija, a kind-hearted woman known for her delicious sambusas, who often exchanged her treats for a chance to see the golden egg. Another frequent visitor was Osman, an elder respected for his wisdom, who reminded Abdul to value and care for Willow. Initially filled with gratitude, Abdul's heart slowly turned to greed. He dreamed of wealth and opulence, wishing Willow could lay more eggs each day. His growing desire blinded him to the simple joys his farm brought to the village. One day, a slick and persuasive trader from a distant land visited Abdul. Noticing Abdul's discontent, he slyly suggested,
"Why wait every day for one egg when you could have all the treasures at one?"
This thought consumed Abdul. Under the starlit sky, Abdul, with a heart heavy with greed and regret, approached Willow. He killed Willow and opened her belly. His action that night, driven by avarice, and opened her tummy looking for plenty of golden eggs. But to his surprise, there was none. His action left him with nothing but the lifeless form of his magical goose, devoid of any golden eggs. When the villagers learned of Willow's fate, there was a collective mourning. Khadija no longer visited, her sambusas now shared in a somber remembrance. Osman lamented the tragedy as a lesson against greed. The cunning trader had vanished, his deceptive words leaving lasting scars. The once lively farm grew quiet. Villagers passed by, their eyes reflecting a mix of sorrow and disappointment. Abdul, filled with remorse, realized his grave error. He hadn't only lost the golden eggs, he had lost the wonder and joy Willow brought to his life and to the village. Abdul learned a profound lesson. He began to tend to his land with newfound respect and generosity, sharing his harvest with his neighbors. The goose and the golden egg story became a legend everywhere, a poignant reminder of the dangers of greed and the importance of cherishing and valuing the gifts of life.